Welcome to my today's online class. I am Shaheen Ahmed Khan, Senior Teacher English, St. Gregory's High School and College, Dhaka. Today I am going to take a class for the students of class 5 on English first paper on Unit 6. Learning outcomes. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to read and understand text through silent reading, infer meaning from context, write answers to questions, and write a paragraph. Keywords. Understand, meaning make out. Similar, meaning same. Energy, meaning strength. Vitamin, meaning health food. Important, meaning main. Here we see 4 types of food items made from grains, which are called carbohydrate. The foods are rice, bread, biscuit, and noodle. We should eat plenty of these foods. We find these foods at the base or bottom of the pyramid. Here we see tomato, pumpkin, cauliflower, and carrot. All these are vegetables. We find these foods in the second group of the pyramid. We must eat these foods regularly. Here we see some fresh fruits. They are mango, banana, palm, and watermelon. Here we see pictures of oil and butter. These foods are fat food. We get these foods at the top of the food pyramid. We should consume little amount of fat food. Here we see the food pyramid. The food pyramid is designed to make healthy eating easier. It shows the different food groups and how much of each we need to have a healthy diet. Eating the right amount from each food group is called eating a balanced diet. Eating well is important for all of us. In this food pyramid, we see foods have been divided into 4 groups. In the bottom, we see grains. Then in next group, we see fruits and vegetables. In the third group, we see fish, meat, dairy beans, and lentil. And in the last group we see fat and oil. And we should eat from low to high amount. We should eat fat and oil a little, and we should eat grains a lot. And according to food, if we eat according to food pyramid, we will be able to keep our body fit. Fat and oil helps to store energy in our body. Fish, meat, dairy, beans and lentils keep our body strong. Fruits and vegetables keep us healthy, and grains give us energy. So I think you have got a point, and if we eat accordingly, we will be able to keep our body fit. Now, in next video, you will watch a video clip on feed pyramid, and I think that video clip will help you to understand the food pyramid well.
Food is an important need of human life. For healthy living, we should have a healthy and balanced diet. A healthy or balanced diet is a diet that contains the right amount of all the food groups. Food pyramid. Grains forms the base of the food pyramid. Grains. Daily caloric intake come from grains. Grains that a person eats daily are rice, wheat, quinoa, oats, barley. These are used to make food like bread, cereals, chapati, pasta. Try to use whole grains food. They are prepared using the entire grain, including the hull, or outer shell. They provide more nutrition. Refined grain food has poor nutritional value, because the hull of the grain is removed during the refining process. Grains are rich in carbohydrate. It gives energy for our body. Above grains comes the fruits and vegetables. Fruits. A balanced diet also includes plenty of fruits. It is better to eat whole fruit instead of its juice. Fruits are a good source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Vegetable. The vegetable group includes leafy greens, like kale, spinach, cabbage, lettuce. Red or orange vegetables, like carrot, beetroot. Starchy vegetables, like potato, paprika. Legumes, like beans and peas. Other vegetables, such as eggplant, lady's finger, capsicum, broccoli, etc. Vegetables are a good source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. We can eat vegetables, raw or cooked. It is important to remember that cooking vegetables removes some of their nutritional value. At the top of fruits and vegetables comes the protein and dairy products. Protein. It includes meat, fish, egg, beans, peas, legumes and nuts. These foods are rich in protein and also has fat. Dairy. It includes milk, yogurt, cheese, butter. It is rich in calcium, fat and protein. At the top of the pyramid is oil, salt, and sugar items. Only very less amount of this should be consumed. A healthy diet should include a varied selection of foods, in proper quantity. Fill a quarter of your plate with grains, for example brown rice, wholemeal bread, rolled oats. They are called energy-giving food. Fill a quarter of your plate with protein food, like meat, poultry, seafood, eggs, nuts, beans, tofu. They are called bodybuilding food. Fill half your plate with fruit and vegetables. Vegetables and fruits are called health-giving food. Along with this, and dairy products like milk, yogurt, cheese. Drink plenty of water, at least 6 to 8 glasses a day. It helps to keep our body hydrated. The greatest wealth is health. So follow balanced diet and stay healthy.
What food is good? Sometimes the food we like to eat isn't the healthiest food for us. The food pyramid helps us to understand the different food groups, and it tells us how much of each food group we should eat. Look at the picture of the food pyramid. We eat more of the foods at the bottom of the pyramid. What foods do you see at the bottom? These are things made from grain. For example, rice, roti, and bread. Potatoes are not grains, but they are similar. Grains give us energy. Fruit and vegetables are in the next level of the pyramid. These are also very important for us. They have vitamins. They help our eyes and our health. On the next level, there are fish, meat, dairy products, beans and lentils. Meat, fish and chicken have protein. Beans and lentils do too. Dairy products are things like milk and eggs. They help our teeth and bones. Protein and dairy make us strong. Fat and oil are at the top of the food pyramid. These make food delicious, but our body does not need very much of them. Sometimes we can't get food from all the different food groups, but when we have choices about food, we need to make good choices. This is an exercise on true-false. Write true for correct statement or false for incorrect statement. Here you see there are 5 sentences, and you will have to write whether these sentences are true or false. Now read the sentences and think whether they are true or false, and write it down in your khata. To think and to write down, I am giving you time. I hope by this time you have written the answers in your CW khata. And next, in my next page, I am going to show you the answers. And now you will check your answers. Now check your answers that you have written in your CW khata. Number A. There are 5 levels in the food pyramid. False. Number B. Foods made of grain give us energy. True. Number C. Fruit and vegetables are at the second level of the food pyramid. True. Number D. Vegetables make our body strong. False. Number E. Our body needs a lot of fat and oil. False. This is another exercise for you. Answer the following questions in a sentence or sentences. Here you see there are 5 questions. Question number A. How does food pyramid help us? Question number B. Why are fruit and vegetables important for us? Question number C. How does protein help us? Question number D. What are the dairy products? Question number E. How do you keep your body healthy? Write in 3 sentences. I am giving you time to think and to write down all the answers in your CW copy. I hope by this time you have written the answers in your CW copy. Now I am going to give you the answers for that so that you can check your answers. Now you can check your answers. I have given some answers for you, but these are not the answers that you must follow. You can write your answers in another way also. I have just given all these answers so that you can understand. It does not mean that you will have to write only these answers. So you can write according to your own. Write a short composition on healthy food. Write at least 5 sentences to the topic. Remember to use capital letters, punctuation, correct spelling and sentence structure. So this is a short composition on the topic healthy food, and you have to write it down in 5 sentences. It does not mean that you will write only 5 sentences. You can write more than that. I have written only 5 sentences so that you can understand. If you can write more than 5 sentences, that will also be accepted. Now read the answer and consider this answer as a model answer. It does not mean that you will have to write down only these 5 sentences. You can write according to your own. This is your homework. Your homework will be to write 5 questions answers. Question number 1. What foods are important for health? Question number 2. What foods are made of grains? Question number 3. What kinds of foods we should eat moderately? Question number 4. What foods do you see at the bottom of the pyramid? Question number 5. What does the chart of food pyramid tell us? That's the end of today's class. I hope you have enjoyed and understood today's class. Wish your best of luck. Thank you very much for watching my today's class. See you later.